This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to fuck with the active aero plugin I made, because a lot of people are confused, and even sometimes I'm confused too. So I'm going to be putting this resource out there. You're going to be using the new one, obviously. What the hell? Okay, just put this in MISC, put this in plugins. Put this in MISC weld. Okay, that's great. Anyway, so here, this speed is basically the minimum speed for your air brake, and you can remove this for a air brake that works in every speed, and you can just make this higher. So if your air brake only like works at like 100 kilometers per hour, you do that. This is the speed the wing lifts up, and this is the speed that the air brake disables. So if you have like a Centenario or like a Bugatti Veyron style or Chiron style wing that like the air brake's only working when the wing is up, that's how you do it. These should match each other. And this is just the top speed mode stuff. Like this is the height slash angle percentage from for top speed mode, and this is the regular one. So this like comparison. Like this you can see like a transition between them, so you can know what you if you want to change this. Sometimes changing this will like fuck with the air brake, so like be careful. Okay, here you can also cross-reference. So this is the DRS. DRS is like a regular default, no air brake state, no like active aero. So this like helps you compare. Like this is basically what the entire script is doing. It's doing this. So if you like want to like if it's like actuating in a way that you want to change, this is how you change it. You just like start editing these numbers. Like this, for example, just make it smaller, make it bigger. You obviously have to do stuff yourself as well. And this is the angle of the air brake, very simple. This is how long it takes for the air brake to turn off. So like the delay, like from when you press the brake. Here you have, these are just actuation motors, so this number is how fast it goes. So you make the number bigger, the wing is more fast. This is what the air brake hinge is connected to. It's connected to brick B3 here. You can change it if you want. So anyway, let's position this. And test it. Yeah, there you go, it works. And it already has different behavior because I fucked with these numbers, so let me show you how it should work when I didn't fuck with these numbers. It almost didn't even lift at all. There we go. So let's say, for example, you want to make your wing higher. Get A1 and A3, and then you do Control L, so you have local rotation, and then you just bring it down. Like this. Yeah, look how high it goes. You can also do other things as well. So you can, when you move these bricks, the car will act differently. Yeah, so it seems when you move these bricks forward as well, the ones I selected, it actuates way faster as well. So to summarize, speed, this is the speed. This is like the actual behavior and the actuation angles. This is the height. This is how you mess with the height, and this is like the speeds, and this is the angle of the air brake.